Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Gisele, and today we have a little bit of a PR unboxing from Pixi, and they sent me all of these goodies right here, and I'm super excited to share them with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I got and how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, I got a PR box from Pixi, and this is their glow in a box. I wouldn't say collection because I don't think that this is coming out as a collection, but they sent me these goodies right here, which are containing some sparkly eyeshadows on this side and two highlighting duos on the other. So the highlighters are described as skin-like, creamy, skin-like texture powders to create a lit from within luminosity that looks natural in any light. And I would have to agree that the consistency is really fine and it goes on really smooth. So for the price, I think that it's definitely a good quality highlighter. And I mean, I've said this on my channel before that drugstore or like Target stores type of deals, makeup brands have really stepped up their game in terms of highlighters and just makeup in general. And I think that these highlighters are definitely up there with the best of them. Now the brush I used to apply the highlighter was a little bit fluffier, so it gave me more of like a natural, subtle highlight look, but I have some footage from a previous day that I was trying it on, and I'll insert it somewhere within the video so that you can see what it looks like with a thinner fan brush and how much impact it has on the skin. For the eyeshadows, I think that they are super cute, and they're also a dupe for, where are they? I think that they're a dupe for the Stiller shadow highlighters, what am I talking about? Glitter eyeshadows, because it goes on with just as much pigment and is just as sparkly for a fraction of the price. I mean, I absolutely love my Stiller glitters, but these are definitely going to become one of my favorites as well. I've used them on clients this past weekend and the looks were absolutely gorgeous, so I'm here for them. So without further ado, I have a quick little eye tutorial for you. So if you would like to see how I created this look right here, which I am using the highlighters and the glittery eyeshadows, then let's get to it.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
So overall, I really like these products. I don't have anything bad to say about them. The eyeshadows, as you saw, went on really well on top of the look that I had. The highlighters were easy to blend into my skin, so there were no complaints there. I could probably use it a little wet if I wanted it to be more dramatic, but quite honestly, I feel like I already have like so much sparkling going on with the eyes that I like the way that my skin looks right now. It's just giving me that subtle glow, and I absolutely love it. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and the video. I know that it was kind of quick in terms of like a review, because I mean there's only so much you can say about a glittery eyeshadow and some highlighters, and I definitely give these a thumbs up. If you are interested in trying out, you know, this type of product and you don't want to pay a ton of money to go get something like that Stila one, then I would definitely recommend this. Okay guys, you already know what time of the video it is. If you have not done so yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell bottom. I'm so tired of myself. Every fucking time. Alright guys, if you have not done so yet, go ahead and make sure to subscribe and thumbs up so that I know and YouTube knows that my videos are worth watching, okay? And then go ahead and hit the little bell as well so that you stay tuned with all of the videos, because sometimes you might not get notified that there is a new video out. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!